Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 14, metals and non-metals. Many substances are found around us. What would you do if we ask you to separate these substances into metals and non-metals? अगर आपको आपके चारों जो substances present हैं उनको categorize करना है metals and non-metals में, then what will you do? Perhaps the things that are solid and shiny, you will call them metals. आप किनको मेटल की कैटेगरी में रखेंगे? Substances which are solid and shiny. Today we will divide them into two different groups based on their appearance and hardness, on the property of hardness and their appearance. We will categorize all the substances into metals and non-metals. We usually call these groups metals and non-metals. So here table is given to you. Object or materials: iron, coal, sulfur, aluminium and copper. You have to categorize according to their appearance. It may be shiny or dull, and hardness, very hard or not very hard. First one is iron. Iron is shiny and very hard. Coal, it's dull and not very hard. Sulfur, dull, not very hard. Aluminium, shiny and very hard. Copper, shiny and very hard. So you can categorize these substances according to their appearance and hardness. Now we will discuss physical properties of metals. What are the physical properties of metal? First one is hardness. Hardness, most metals are hard in nature. Generally, most of the metals are hard in nature. A few exceptions like sodium and potassium. These two metals are very soft, named sodium and potassium. They can be cut with a knife. So, these are the exceptions. Second, ductility. Ductility क्या होती है बच्चों? The properties of metal by which they can be drawn into thin wires. So metals can be drawn into thin wires. This property is called ductility. That is why metals are called ductile. Examples of metals: copper, gold, silver, iron, etc. Next property of metal is solid. Generally, metals are solid at room temperature except mercury. Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature, and this mercury metal is used in थर्मामीटर. कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं इसको हम? थर्मामीटर में. एंड this metal is liquid at room temperature. Next is malleability. Let us understand the concept of malleability through an activity. हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिसके थ्रू malleability को डिफाइन करेंगे. रिक्वायरमेंट क्या क्या है आपके? आयरन नेल, एल्युमिनियम वायर, कॉपर वायर, कोल, पेंसिल लेड, कार्बन रॉड एंड हैमर. ये आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है एक्टिविटी की. Be very careful while doing this activity, or you can ask your father, elder brother or sister do this for you. ये एक्टिविटी आपको अपने आप नहीं करनी है, आपको किसी बड़े की हेल्प से ये एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म करना है. Collect all the above materials. Beat these materials one by hammer, and based on your observation fill the given table. Here a table is given to you. You have to fill this table according to your observation. Does it becomes flat or broken into pieces on being hammered? जब हम उसको हैमर से चोट या स्ट्राइक करते हैं तो जो सब्सटेंसेस आपको दिए हैं या मटेरियल्स आपको दिए हैं, यू हैव टू राइट does it become flat or broken into pieces. So iron nail, it become flat. Coal, broken into pieces. Aluminum wire, it becomes flat. Copper wire, it becomes flat. Carbon rod, broken into pieces. Pencil lead, broken into pieces. Usually, all the metals get flattened on being hammered. जब हम मेटल को हैमर से स्ट्राइक करते हैं तो क्या हो जाती हैं, वो फ्लैटन हो जाती हैं, चपटी हो जाती हैं विदाउट ब्रेकिंग. दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल इज नोन एज malleability, और you can say metal can be beaten into thin sheets. This property of metal is called malleability, and metals are called malleable. Non-metals get broken into pieces on being hammered. Non-metals are brittle in nature. Therefore, we can say that metals are hard, shiny. Shiny means lustrous, chamakdar. Ductile means they can be drawn into thin wires, and malleable, they can be beaten into thin sheets. So these are the main physical properties of metals. Examples of metals are iron, copper, aluminium, calcium, magnesium, gold, silver. All these are examples of metal, while the examples of non-metals are sulfur, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, etc. All these are non-metals. Check yourself. Name any two metals that can be easily cut with a knife. ये कौन सी दो metals हैं बच्चों? These two metals are sodium and potassium. These metals are very soft and can be cut with a knife. Name a metal which is found in liquid state at room temperature. ये कौन सी metal है बच्चों? The name of this metal is mercury. What is ductility? Ductility means क्या होता है? What is ductility? Ductility means metals can be drawn into thin wires. This property is known as ductility. Which metal would you prefer to make wires? कौन सी मेटल आप प्रेफर करेंगे वायर्स बनाने के लिए? You can write copper, or you can write any other metal like aluminum or iron. Name two metals that are malleable in nature. You can write any name of any two metals. Generally, all metals are malleable. So, gold, silver, iron, aluminium. You can write any two metals. Write one use of aluminium metal. Aluminium metal का एक use लिखना है आपको. Aluminium metal कहाँ use होती है बच्चों? Aluminium metal is used in making kitchen utensils. हम किचन में यूज़ होने वाले बर्तन बनाने में aluminium metal को यूज़ करते हैं. So it is used for making kitchen utensils. Thanks for watching.